Alrighty, we've got 1 hour in camp. This fucking is cold. So this is like a super old, furthermore, themed bag from their 007 themed convention.
Oh wow.
Open it.
That's ancient.
Is there stuff in it?
I don't know.
It's furthermore, furry never dies, and it's got like the golden eye, kind of like, you know, rifle barrel with an eyeball in there.
Open it!
Open it.
There might be porn in it.
There's nothing inside the bag. This bitch empty. All right. Let me get the starting bid at $5. Can I get a $5? $5. 20 now, 20 now, 25, 20 now, 25. Can I get a 20 now, 25? 25 going, 20 now going once, 20 now going once. 25, 25 now, 25, can I get a 30? 25 now, 30, 30 now, 30 now, can I get a 35? 30 now, 35, can I get a 30 now, 35? 35, 35 now, 35 now, can I get a 40? 35 now, can I get a 40? 35 now, can I get a 40? 35, well, I heard a 40 somewhere. 40, that's a 40. All right, 40 now, can I get a 45? 40 now, can I get a 45? 40 now, going once. 40 now, going twice. Do I get a 45? This is last and final part. 45 right there. That was a quick one. Will I get a 50 out of you? Will I get a 50? That's a 50 counter offer. 50 now, can I get a 55? 50 now, can I get a 55? 50 now, going once. 55 now, 55 now. Will you give me a 60? Will you give me a 60? 55 going once. Give me a 50. Come on, 55 to 60, 55 to 60. It's right there, 60. Now 60 to go to 65, 60 to go to 65. Come on now. Show me the money. 65. Going twice.
69.
69, 69, now 69, over 70, 69, now 70, so back on over there, 69 going once, 69 going twice, last and final call, and so.
Congratulations, Colius. Nice, buddy.
All right. I gotta tuck my shit in here, I'm getting all this, excited.
Whoa.
I'll get decent numbers. Show you what skin. I have no idea what you are. Snake! Nerd shit!
Nerd shit.
Explain.
One nudge.
Not even he knows?
Show the camera.
Wait, what is it?
Okay, this is furry feline slaughter ball with mutant tiger and minifigs. I am guessing this is for a.
Hold that a little further away from your face, Jensen. It goes down like a stepladder.
Anyways, this is what it looks like.
Well, I get the fucking paper out of the way. But it says the game is sold separately, no? Or am I tripping off just a tip?
Okay, raise your hand if you know Warhammer.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so this makes sense to you. Because it comes with little minifigures that you can paint and add to your collection.
Okay.
That's pretty cool, isn't it? So it's probably part of that a furry version of Warhammer. Yeah, it's a Warhammer figure.
Just hoping I would have the actual game, so. Alright.
Think of it as like football, but a blood sport.
Alright, $25 starting bid on this. Can I get a $25 on this? This Fury Slaughter Team number 5. Alright, that's 25. 25, now 25, can I get a 30? 25, now 30, 25, now 30. 25, 30, now 30 in the back, 30 in the back there, 30 now 35, 30 now 35, 35, 35 now 40, 35 now 40, 40 now 45, 40 now 45, 45, 45 now 50, 50, 45 now 50, 45 now 50, you bowing out, 45 now 50, 45 going once, 45 going twice.
50.
Last 50, 50 now 55, 55 now 55, no, is that bowing out, 55, no, 50,
I was willing to give 50.
50 going once, 50 going twice, last final call. Oh!
Congratulations.
$51.
You just won it, didn't you?
I thought the other guy gave 55.
All right.
No, it's not like
All
yeah.
right.
Go ahead.